Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, please, for Jeremy Evans out of Calgary.